Greetings and salutations, YouTube land. Preval, somewhere over here, for another unboxing video. Today I have for you a favorite. Another double shot of awesomeness from Highspots.com. So Highspots is the premier pro wrestling gear and merchandise company out there. They sell everything, and they are, I would say, the most trustworthy name in wrestling merchandise, period. If they sell it, you know it's real. Today I have a lot of stuff. I don't know what it is. And this isn't the usual, I forgot what I ordered. I have a series of mystery items in here. Up first, this prize has my Boxomania prize, which I hit a Scarlet Bordeaux, but I don't know how to pronounce her last name, autograph figure that I wasn't a fan of, and I tried to trade it off, didn't have any luck, so I took mystery promos. Top of that, we have a mystery from their virtual gimmick table show. Ready? Let's get ready for the unboxing. Jump, thank you. So, on their Thursday night show, the virtual gimmick table, the host, the guru, Tommy Thomas, has started doing a few different little games. This particular one was an Eliminator style game. Basically, you would buy in, I think it was $100, and he put in, it was like 8 or 10 different types of prizes. It was like 10 signed promos, signed figures, art prints. What was it? I think there was Sasha Banks stuff, Alexa Bliss stuff, Hardy Boys. There was a whole bunch of different options. And the way it worked is they were only selling a limited number of those, and they wouldn't tell you how many they sold. They also would not let you buy in after the last one was drawn. So you had to get in when there was at least 2, but it could sell out before you got there. So the prize I was hoping for was the promos or the Alexa Bliss stuff. Unfortunately, Alexa Bliss was like the second to last thing pulled. Joelle and Kylo lucked out on that one. And then the promos went earlier. So what it ended up being is, I think it's 3 signed Elite figures. I'm going to move this so I have some room to work. So I usually collect action figures, so that was a bummer for me. But that was kind of the best prize, value-wise. Chomp, it is not St. Patrick's Day yet. So, let's see who I have in here. Definitely 3. I don't think there's a case. So we'll just start at the back here. And I got... Ooh. Matt Hardy. Not too shabby. Certainly a legend, and willing to bet he's more than... He's got to be at least $50 for this figure, if not more. A little scrape on the cover, but not bad. Fortunately, they didn't include the cases with these, so now I gotta order those. Next we have Christian. Also, nice hit. I like him a lot. Ooh. This one, the figure's pretty dinged up, though. That's a misfortune. That's unfortunate. But it's actually a nice figures. So kind of getting the lesser half of some famous tag teams. Let me guess, this one's going to be Mardi Jannetty. And we have, hey, John Morrison. I wouldn't call him the lesser half of the tag team. This is in really good shape. Little dig on the side. will display nice though, so money-wise, I'm happy with that. I would say the 3 of those are easily worth the $100 I paid. Now my only problem is, what the heck am I gonna do with these things? I don't really have room to display action figures, so... Alright, let's see what my promos are. So yeah, this was a $60 box. $60 box. So I get 3 promos, all JSA'd. Now, it used to be $10 a promo, so I think they either up the price of the promos or the quality. Let's hope on the latter. And we have Braun Strowman. I have one of him. I don't have this one. But, yeah. He's... I want to say he was at least 40, if not more, so... Not bad. And, ooh. I have this one already, but this is a nice one. Dual signed by Johnny Gargano and Tommasia Ciampa. I love this promo. I bought this when it first came out, so that's probably going to be up for trade or a giveaway prize, but yeah. Value-wise, I'm making out. Collection-wise, not so great, but it's tough. And finally, we have... Street Profits. Once again, I have them, but it's a dual sign piece, so that's nice. I want to say they were 40 or 50, so yeah. Value-wise, I hit out. Collection-wise, not so much, but like I said, I'm getting to that point where it's tough to get guys I don't have without getting into some real high value, so I'm happy. There's got to be at least $120 worth of promos here, so 2 times what I paid for the box. So I am not complaining at all. And hey, if you're looking for any of these guys, hit me up. I trade. Alright, now... Don't know if the mic's picking that up, but Zelda is not happy. So this one, they did a special Mardi Gras event. I guess I'll say. Thank you, chump. Is that why you fell over? You were too busy for Mardi Gras? They did Mardi Gras themed things, they had some mystery items, and they had some really good deals. I took part in 2 of the deals. One of which is actually very unlike me. So, let's see what we got. We have packaging. Oh, that's right, there was a mystery element to this too. Wow. So one of these is a deal they did with AEW figures. They had a bunch you could pick from, and then you got 2 random signed AEW promos, and it was only $100. Which usually just the signed figures by themselves go for that. So, I went for it. My figure was... Figure is... Pentagon. Love the signature. Love the figure. These guys are beautiful. I've been trying to avoid collecting the AEW figures just because they're expensive. And like I said, I don't really have room for action figures. Ooh. Oh, that's right. They did a little giveaway thing. I got a little luchador magnet. That's cute. Let's see who my promos are. I can get them out of here. There's one of them. I already have this exact one. This is Jurassic Express. Luchasaurus, Jungle Boy, and Macro Stunt. Oh, there's the other one. And my other one is... Oh, Eddie Kingston. Actually, I don't have him, so hey, hit on one. That's nice. There's one for the old collection. And like I said, they had a lot of really insane deals on this. And one of them was on art prints. They had, I think it was 13 different art prints you could choose from. And you got to pick 3 of them for only $50. Which I thought was just an insanely good deal. And there were a few of them I actually liked the print, which I know, usually I don't with art prints. But I decided to go for these guys. Up first we have Vampiro. Love him. I love the darkness of that print, so that was one I had to have. Up next is one that, honestly, it was the reason I bought this, is just because I love this print. We have Scott Steiner. The numbers don't lie. They spell destruction. Good old Steiner math. I think he actually wrote Big Papa Pump on there too, so that's cool. With the famous equation in the back. If you don't know what that is, look up Steiner Math promo. It is the greatest thing you will ever watch. My final one, Dr. Britt Baker. There are a couple to choose from, but I know she's really popular right now, and I just loved the comic book look of this. Watch out for Lockjaw. I'll be honest, that one was mostly, you know what, that's probably the best deal out of this, so, yeah. And that's what, like, $17 each and some change. So, yeah. I'm quite happy with that for the price. These are well worth the money. So there we go, a nice pile of absolute steals and some mystery stuff that definitely hit it out. A lot of high quality stuff in here. A lot of really good deals. So yeah, if you're into wrestling and you haven't checked out Highspots on Facebook, they love to do these special shows on like Mardi Gras, and like usually they'll do something on March 16th for a certain someone. So make sure you check them out. They, like I said, they have some awesome steals, some good promos, some trade bait, and if you hit $100, free shipping. And if you don't hit $100, I'm impressed. Right. So if you enjoyed this, shoot that thumbs up. Anything to say? If you got anything cool out of Boxomania, if you got any different figures or anybody awesome, let me know down below. You know I love hearing from you guys. Hey, if you're interested in trading for one of the extra promos, hit me up. Ding that bell to be notified whenever my videos go live. Hit that subscribe button over here so you don't miss any videos. For the love of God, dog, chill. As always, be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Zero. Yeah.